What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Shift for Success. In today's video, we are going to talk about what camera you should use if you're just going to start on YouTube. Now, in order to help you decide what camera you should use when you're starting on YouTube, I'm going to tell you which two cameras I have and why I have them. So first off, I have a webcam, and I use my webcam for when I'm live streaming or when I want to do an overlay easier than capturing two separate videos and stitching them together. I like the webcam for that. It shoots 1080p. It's a good camera. My issues with the webcam, it has a very wide angle. So you can see a whole lot more of the room and a whole lot less of me, which is why you're all here, right? No. You don't want the camera to show so much of what's around you and so little of you, so to speak, right? This is your video. You are on the show. People want to watch you and see your face and your reactions to things, right? So that's my issue with the webcam. It works great for streaming because I can hook it directly up to my stream software and it's perfect for that, right? Now, the other two things I use for a camera, one, my phone, and two, my camera. My phone, I mostly use that for like B-roll, or if I want to show something while I'm on the go. I don't always carry my camera with me, and I don't always, remember to take it if I'm going out somewhere cool that I think people should be seeing or something like that. It's hard for me to remember my camera sometimes, so I just use my phone for those types of things, like B-roll, like shots of the cameras that are going to be in this video I took on my phone, because it's easier for me to show you guys those two cameras with my phone over the cameras themselves, right? Because I'm trying to show you them. So I use my phone for that type of stuff. I use my webcam for streaming or when I'm being lazy and don't feel like doing an overlay in a video. Now, my camera, the one you're on right now, is the Canon G7X Mark II. I've had this camera for I want to say 3 years, and I've used it for all kinds of stuff. I've taken pictures with it, I've recorded videos with it, and it's a great camera. It's really good. There's one thing that I don't like about it, though. There's not an auxiliary in port for a microphone to be hooked up on. So I don't like that. I don't like that I can't plug my microphone into my Canon G7X Mark II. But it is very important if you are going to make a lot of YouTube videos, even if you're just sitting at a desk like this, to use a very high quality camera. Not top of the line by any means, but higher quality than a webcam or higher quality than a phone. People want a clearer picture of what you're trying to film. And the Canon G7X makes that easy. It has the flip up screen so you can see yourself. What you have to be careful of is that you're looking at yourself too much and not at the lens enough. But aside from that, this camera does everything you need it to do. It's small, it's compact. You can take it just about anywhere you want to go. It'll fit in your back pocket. It's easy to use, easy to operate. It's easy to get videos off of the camera onto your computer. It's easy. And it makes for a great vlogging camera or YouTube camera in general. Mine sits here on this desk 99% of the time, and I use it to make videos like this, but you can tell across my videos when I switched from using the webcam to using this camera. And that's because I was comfortable with my web camera. I wasn't sure if I wanted to start using this camera or not, and I tried it and it was worth it. It paid off. This camera is way better. I highly recommend getting the Canon G7X Mark II or Mark III. Some people don't like the Mark III. I don't remember why, but some people didn't like some of the features that it had. Anyways, the Canon G7X Mark II is what I use. I use a webcam. You'll see the videos of those that I'm going to post. If you are a nerd and want the stats on the Canon G7X, the Mark II can shoot in 4K video. It does 120 frames per second, full HD. Has a 24 millimeter and 4.2 times zoom. Has a 20.1 megapixel camera, which is already better than your phone, so justified. And it's Wi-Fi capable, Bluetooth capable. The new ones you can live stream off of, the newer versions. I think they made a plug-in for the older versions, but I couldn't get it to work because I have the Mac M1 Mini. And with the Apple processor, it's kind of hard to get everything to sync up and work correctly. So I don't necessarily use my Canon for live streaming because of that reason. But I highly recommend that you guys go check out the Canon G7X. I will link the Mark II and the Mark III in the description below. I will also link my webcam in the description below, and you guys can go and check it out. I hope this helps, and I hope that you find this information useful so that you can make a decision on what kind of camera you're looking for in your YouTube style videos. You know, having a camera that's portable that you can take with you is great for vlog style videos. Or if you're just going to be sitting at a desk, maybe you consider just a high quality web camera, or you get a bigger DSLR that you can hook straight up to your computer and record from there. Maybe that's what you want to do. I don't know. This is where I started. This is what I like for right now. Of course, I'll probably upgrade at some point. But for now, I think this is a great camera to start with. It's awesome, and it doesn't break the bank. It's not extremely expensive, and you get a very decent camera. It's really good. Anyways, guys, I hope this helps you guys figure out what kind of camera you guys want to use in your YouTube videos. If you like this video, leave a like below. And if you want some more content, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.